This Follow You Dream. I'm Cindy Lopez. I'm trying to go away for that noise. Guys, give me the bag.
Okay. Wait, is it gone?
Yes, it's gone.
Also,
Money, I put in,
what?
I put it in the bag,
You
and you take it off.
you told me to grab it because you said it wouldn't make any. You said it would. It would. You said it would. You said it would make me stop hearing that noise.
And they have to do that because if something really happened, people are not gonna know what's really happened or not. Special, somebody get hurt, or somebody try to get hurt here.
Oh yeah. Also, I could still hear it even if I had the headphones. It would have been much better if I heard a game instead of.
Man, that noise is really so bad, guys. Man, we are from the library.
Oh yeah, guys.
Okay.
I really hope you didn't have any headphones on because that was really hurtful. Like, not literally, but physically. You know when you hear a noise and it feels really bad? Well, that's just worse. Come on, guys, let's go to the library. Like, I am not staying out here if that's gonna happen again.
We going to the memory park.
Besides, I need to charge my phone anyway.
Now we're going to
You can go to my own.
the library.
I think this is Ooh, Venom shirt.
Try to get out the sun too.
We can go under here, but it's not gonna help anyway. Or maybe that could help.
Man, we gone to the main library and then we don't have to come, that we're not able to come back to the house side. And you try to sell the jewelry and the jewel cover up. Look at guys, that's a toy right there.
And maybe,
That's a toys for.
and maybe if we get some money, maybe we could buy one, and then we could sell it for.
Look at that unicorn. That's a big one unicorn right there. That's a car over there. Whoa, that's a big one.
Yeah. Right.
Sometimes you can make stuff. Oh, dinosaur. That's a big one poster dinosaur thing. It's a dinosaur right there. That's so cool. Oh, this you can see dinosaur in there. That's small thing. Man, we're going to Land Library from right now. Second.
Very kind.
No.
Very pretty.
Okay. I know you can give you these to him that he can sell that too. And give you the money for him. Use it for you, sell, okay? Sell and then gets the money for you.
I told him that, you know, right?
That's good when he hear about from me too, Manuel.
True. I just really felt bad.
Manuel, you take all the bracelet out to the bag.
No.
Now we try to cross here. Now we're going to the library.
And if you want, you can sell those bracelets.
Honey, we to make a lot of videos. I have a lot of ideas for video. One is tell me your story, and the other one pray for the community, church, school, government, president. Make this country a better place to live. It's not a bad idea to do that.
Yeah. It's not also a bad idea to give other people stuff.
Well, we're gonna in the middle of the street. You can ask the middle of the street. We have kid. Okay. Now we go inside the library. Main library is the big one place that you can guess. Morning. We going to the outside again. Then we know how available to come back again to outside sell stuff. You know why? Because we know how extra bus ticket gets more.
I cannot
That you can sell the stuff you have right now.
in the bus stop because all the people go there.
We can come back Saturday and sell more. You don't have to worry about it. The stuff we not sell today, we can sell tomorrow. And we can stay too longer here. Oh, that's beautiful.
And
Feel
if that
better.
poor guy is still there, then we can
Most
probably.
better.
And if that poor guy is still there, we can probably give him art stuff. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, yo.
Now we get inside the main library. Try to make a lot of videos right now.
Headphones and headphones and
Oh, you go up?
Down.
Oh,
But it's stand up.
you going down?
Yes.
Okay. Now you're going up. Now you have to stay inside. Like go down.
What's KB then?
Level down. You have to wait here, the second floor.
hey, yo.
All right. All right, man. Take water. Man. Tried going to the library. Whoa. Unload that. Nice little stuff. Pokemon stuff. Okay, guys.
Give me my
Alright.
like my charger.
It's not your charger.
No, my charger. My green one.
Okay. Okay, guys. Subscribe, put a thumbs up if you like the video. Make a comment below.
Also,
Press
are we gonna make
notification
sneeze?
bell every time I make a new video. Find me on Facebook, Instagram,
Snapchat,
Twitter, and Snapchat. I'll see you
and
next time.
Facebook.